friends, my name is Rachin Nayak and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to see how to convert a photo to a PDF. So let's. So guys, to do this we have to open a app that name is Doc Scanner. So you can see it is written Doc Scanner. You have to open it. It will be available in the YouTube or no, in the Play Store. So to do this I will take any photo from the gallery. So I will take any photo like this, like this drawing my brother made. So then we have to click one done. I want full of this, so I will take it fully. Then I will click on next. Then I will take. So my favorite filter is this. So I will click on OK. Then I will click on save. Then I will take PDF because we have to convert it into PDF, not GPG. Because it is GPG means image, so it is already image. So we will take PDF. So then we have to go here and then we have to click save. After clicking save, then we have to save file too. So where I have to save? So I will save to any of these files. So I will take to this. This file. So use this folder, allow. Now this is saving, done, and your picture is saved. So guys, for today video enough of this. So मिलते हैं next video में.